Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
The chat is open 7 days a week. I'm in the chat, Jeffrey's in the chat, Lex is in the chat, somebody in the chat. And if we have to call you, that's when we will. Okay, that's how we're able to conserve our energies, because it's no way we could just talk to everybody all day long. Okay, here the client says, how much do you charge to do a quick claim deed? So I'm on this live with you guys. So if a client is reaching out to me, I'm in another appointment, I would tell them I'll call them in about 15 minutes. Hold on, how long? I got 7 minutes. I'm going to say, hi, I will call you in 10 minutes for details. Hold on. So I have pre-typed messages. I will call you in 10 minutes and let them know. And if they can't wait for me, they just cannot. And I'll put in there, it would be my pleasure to help. Okay. So I need to type this message right quick. Hold on. It would be my pleasure to assist. Okay. So I want them to know, hey, I want your business, but I'm on my live right now. All right. So let's see. Sharon says she's feeling more confident. So we appreciate that. Rashante says you are so authentic. Oh, they said thank you. So see, I didn't lose the business. And this is what I teach you. Okay, we did a whole session on this. If you are not available, I ain't trying to miss no money, even though I'm on my live. Typically, I'll say, hold on, y'all, and let me go get the call. But I didn't want to do that today, because when I do that, sometimes it throws my live off. So I told them, hey, I'll call them. And actually, I'm going to call them in, I said 10 minutes. So I'm going to stay with y'all for 4 more. And then I got to go so I can be early. So I might tell my client, hey, I'll be with you in 10 minutes, but I know I'm calling them in 5, okay? Give myself a little leeway there. All right. Same thing when I'm going to an appointment. If my appointment is at 3 and I get there at 3, I'm late. Okay? You ever heard that before? Get there in 10 minutes early. That helps your confidence level too. I talk about that in many videos. Get there early enough where you can sit and unwind. Woosah. So you can have your papers and not be dropping them and running and walk in like, I just made it. No, get there early. All of that goes to your confidence level, okay? Rashante says, you are so authentic and this is what people need. I appreciate it. Shar, hey Shar. Yes, I'm back. I've been working so much with the mentorship program, Shar. That's why I've been missing. How are you? Shar says, that's what we need. Sharon says, yes, LLL. Lisa said 100. Thank you, guys. I'm glad y'all appreciate it, because these are my people that are really doing well. And even the 1 or 2 literally that have left. And actually, it's only been one person I could think of that really was just really upset with me about my teaching method, you know. And you guys know how I teach. The same way I teach here, I teach in class. Now, sometimes in class, I'm a little bit more real because we're doing real life. This is real, too. What you see is what you get. But I'm just saying, over there, I don't have time to be playing. I need to make sure them documents are right. Because when you take that document back to, and you scan it back, and you saying you train with notary educators, I need to make sure that document is right. Not to mention, I want you to win. I don't want you sending back documents and it's not correct, and then you looking crazy, you know? So Shar says conversations with early is on time. Get there on time when you are. Yes, if you get there on time, you are late. Yes, Shar, you are correct. Christina says kids these days are not taught this rule anymore. No, they're not. So little to Christina's point and Shar's point, when you do some of these old-fashioned things, you're going to succeed. You're going to win. I have younger people that are attracted to my message Because I could be on TikTok dancing. Ooh, ooh. I could do all that too. And not that I won't eventually, because I don't mind doing a little dance, y'all. I ain't afraid of moving. But I'm more about the real deal, in the sense that that's cute. That's cute, all the TikTok. But what you really learning? What you really doing out there? Is it gonna grow your business? Is it gonna grow your business? So we need to be talking facts. We got some of that old-fashioned stuff like manners. Please, hello, thank you. Okay? That's what's gonna take you next level. Even with your younger generation, they may not do it, but they appreciate it when you call a young man sir. A young woman, even though she may not be dressed appropriately, ma'am, or young lady, respect. Young people are about respect. Yeah, respect me. Yeah, respect me. Please, child. Okay? That's another story for another day. But young people all the time, they don't respect me. You don't respect me. Who are you? You need to be respecting me. But my point is that even they want respect, even though they may not give it. You understand what I'm saying? All right, let's see what else we got going on here. Prince Fabio says, my commission will be here any day, and I can't wait to get started with Notary Educators. It would be our pleasure. So we are glad. We'll be looking for you, okay? I'm going to take these last few comments, and then I got to go call my client. Christina says, amen. Char Willie says, Kimmi is going to do a shimmy. I know, right? You're going to be like, look at Kimmi on YouTube. Ooh, ooh. Okay. I mean, TikTok. Hey, Jasmine. Harlem Shake. All right, Jasmine always got to come with the hate. Was that too odd? What do new people do nowadays? What? It didn't change that much, right? Just the head pop. All right, guys. Well, check out the new book, okay? Become a Notary Signing Agent. Bam! It's not that complicated. So, guys, I got to run so I can get that client so I can be within my 5 minutes. I told them 10, right? All right. Y'all so crazy. I will see you guys again soon, okay? Until later, much success to you. Bye!